What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. God bless you all. Today I'm going to install the fuel pump in the car, but I want to actually show you the fuel pump before I start with the project. We just got here a high flow fuel pump. Actually this fuel pump was donated by my boy Manny. This one is a 255 as well. So I never installed any of these ones before, so let's see how that goes. Before I even think about getting to the fuel pump, we have to clean up. So after removing all the crap from the seat, I'm just gonna proceed to remove the back seat. And I saw this one has like a clip over here where you can pull. Alright, that was more easy than I expected. So now all the seat is loose. And here is where we're going to be working on. Look like somebody worked with this already. Look at this. So I already came and removed the two bolts that are holding the seat in place. So the way this thing comes out, you have just to raise it up. Alright guys, let me take this out because I need my both hands. Alright guys, got my screwdriver. Let's get this out. Loose. Second got loosed. Alright guys, we're back. Just got a mask on because it's getting stinky in here. Just popping up these two hoses right now, which I think I'm gonna make a mess of fuel in here. So let me put this here for now. Finally removed the first assembly out, and now I was expecting the fuel pump to be here and it's not. So the fuel pump actually is in the tank right now. And there it is. So right now it looks like somebody replaced this one before, so I'm going to try to take that one out and replace it for the new one. There you guys have it. It's out for now. This one is a stock one over here. This one has a clip in the back. So if you guys are replacing the fuel pump ever on a B13 Sentra or NX, this one has the clip in the back like that it will release, because this one was actually clamped in the in-tank bracket. So I'm just going to remove this one out from the bracket and put a new one in, see how it fits, and then we're going to test it. Like I said, I have the fuel pump out, so Over here has like a back piece actually removed. Have the GoPro right there. So after this thing is removed, actually I can just pop out the fuel pump that this car has, which is huge compared to the one I'm gonna put installing. This thing is huge compared to the one I'm gonna install. So stock 255. So you guys can see the difference on witness. Let me see. There it is. You guys can see it. So somehow I'm supposed to fit this one in here. So, and it's huge. So let me see how I work this out. What I got the fuel pump over here. I pulled the stock rubber that came with the kit. This one was the rubber that I have on my old fuel pump, and I'm using this one to make slightly a gap to go into my stock bracket. Alright guys, so most likely it's gonna look something like this. That's a strainer that actually it was for Manny's car, so he kindly donated me this fuel pump that he used for maybe like 1 week, and this one is good to go inside the tank now. So let's go. Alright guys, that one is in right now. Right guys, so that's how it looks with the hose and the new clamp inside the tank. So this one is the line that comes from the fuel pump. Over here I have the return line, so I put 2 clamps here just to prevent any problems in the future. Over here is the stock connection, which I connect to the aftermarket fuel pump. Just put a zip tie in the wiring just to make sure it's not like hanging all over. Where is there it is. So now I just want to put everything back in and try it out. Right guys, so I put everything back together the way that used to be. I put 2 clamps in the returning line. I have 1 fuel pressure clamp on it, had the 2 connectors on it, and I'm gonna turn the key on to make sure everything is working. There you hear it. Alright guys, so it's working now. I'm just gonna put everything back together. Everything is back together. Everything seems to be working fine. After I put everything together, I had to take everything out again. The strainer that I put, it was not reaching the bottom of the tank, and that's not good. So I had to take everything out again. Thank God the oil or the stock strainer fits the new fuel pump, and I'm gonna put that one in now and see if that works, because fuel pump is going on, everything works good, but I'm not getting fuel pressure in the regulator. So I know my tank is low on fuel, but even though with the stock one it was getting pressure, and now with the new one it's not getting pressure. So just gonna put the old one in and see how that goes. Same day, fuel pump out twice. Right guys, so everything is back together. I just had the car on, no leaks. So everything seems to be working fine. Just gonna put the cover back again the way it should go. I got also 93 octane fuel that I'm gonna put on, and we're gonna test it out. The seat is back again together for the second time. Let's start it up quick. All right, guys. All right. So yeah, that's gonna be for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. God bless you all. Like and subscribe for more. Take care.